Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is May 25th, 2015. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in the uptrend. There are more and more leading stocks breaking out from a base. I'm currently long the market through the index ETFs as well as the leading stocks. I have increased the percentage of the stock holding. Let's take a look at the indices charts, the chart of the market index. First is the German DAX index, and rebound right now is right at a 50-day moving average. It's trying to consolidating, and originally it was in the uptrend, but since April it started consolidating. US Nasdaq uptrend, mid cap uptrend, small cap break above 50-day moving average and back to the uptrend. SP 500 large cap uptrend. Gold price, gold is rebounding here. Silver also rebound, and right now is sitting right at a 200-day moving average. We should see if the 50-day moving average can cross above 200-day moving average. If that happens, then the midterm there will be a trend reversal. Both gold and silver, and we should see in next couple weeks, and if the trend reversal can happen or not. Gold mining ETF, it's stuck between 50-day and 200-day moving average. Also try to rebound. US dollar rebounded. However, as long as US dollar stay below 96, 97 range, and it is still in a downtrend. Crude oil price. Crude oil rebounded and right now is in the uptrend. You see all this moving average line up. Short-term moving average is above the long-term moving average. So the trend, from trend analysis point of view, this is an uptrend. And the commodity, once it forms a trend, it can tend to go on that trend for a while. See, when the crude oil going downtrend, it has been in a downtrend for a long time. Then it made a base and double bottom base and break above, and right now it's in the uptrend. So anticipate this trend will last for a while. Oh, look at this. This is China A-share stock index. This is very strong uptrend. A short-term, the consolidate for a short period of time and then go up again. Right now it's hitting historical high. So this is a very strong uptrend. Some of the China A-share ETF also perform extremely well. This is one, it's a sky high right now. Obviously, too late to buy if you haven't bought it yet. And this is another one, a very strong uptrend, CNXT. And FXI, it just finished this short-term consolidation, break above. So this is actually a buy point right here. Given the index performing so well, this is likely to follow. YINN, this is 3 times China index. Also break above this short, very short consolidation. And this also tend to lag, not lag, but delay the index performance. So it will play a catch up. So in fact, this is a buy point. You see the previously when the index has been going uptrend for a while, and this thing just consolidating, and suddenly one day I rush up to catch up with the index. Anticipate this will do the same as it did before. So this is actually a very good buy point. IYR is a US real estate index ETF. It's in a downtrend. Copper is in the uptrend. However, it pulled back. Right now it's sitting at the 50-day moving average. If it can rebound from a 50-day moving average, then the trend is intact. Otherwise, it will be in danger. This is an important ETF to. This is a very important chart to watch. MBB, which is a real estate bond price, and this is inverse correlated with the real estate mortgage rate. So this bond price has broke down support. Right now it is going down. That means interest rate is going up. The real estate mortgage rate has a danger to reverse the trend and become an uptrend. So for the folks, I would think, I mean, personally, I would think this is a very good point to do the refinance because uh, in the future, we will anticipate the rate go higher than current rate. SMH is a semiconductor ETF uptrend. Social media ETF, SOCL, uptrend, but it's consolidating. There's a pullback pretty hard right now. Solar ETF broke the trend. This is in a downtrend. So this is a previously uptrend, but this looks like a head and shoulder or some kind of double head top. It gap down and anticipate a hit. It may hit resistance at 50-day moving average, and it may just come down like that. So this is a sector. Solar sector is a sector to be avoided right now. USO is a crude oil price, and this is lagging crude oil price. So this is the ETF, crude oil ETF, and right now it doesn't perform very well. So USO perform not as good as a crude oil price. XLE is the ETF correlated with the energy sector stocks, sitting right at 50-day moving average. A financial ETF, XLF, break above this consolidation range is in the uptrend. That's a good news for the market. A few stocks to share with you. Those are the list of stocks. And the first list is the stocks near the buy point. And there are two stocks I really would like to share with you. One is AXP Semiconductor, and another is a Skyworks, SWKS. Both both are in the semiconductor sector. They both supply components for iPhone and iWatch, and due to the Apple product has a high demand, and their suppliers are doing very well in terms of their earning growth. And then there are other stocks listed here. I'm going to share you one by one with their chart. And then second list are the stocks out of the buy range. These are the stocks. And the third list is one stock which is a turnaround story, GoPro. This one is turning around from the previous downtrend. Looks like it's making a base and try to get to the uptrend. So let's take a look. I'm going to share with you the charts from IBD's leaderboard. And okay, first is NXP Semiconductor. Oh, we're right here. It's a weekly chart. You see it has a previous uptrend and goes through the four-stage base, and then the base get reset as it correct below the previous low. So right now we're on a second stage base, and this is a very good place to buy a stock. And look at the daily chart. And recent buy point is $105.04. So still in the buy range. It's still buyable. As it broke above this buy point, the volume was high. That's indication of institution accumulation. So it's a stock to buy. Right now is a good time to buy this stock. Skyworks, SWKS. The buy point is $102.87, and broke above this buy point last week. And this is a nice flat base, a very beautiful base here. When they break out on the breakout day, and the volume was high. And take a look at the weekly chart. It didn't see what is the stage. Okay, this is the first stage. Well, didn't see it. Looks like it's a second stage base. So basically, this is another Apple supplier and good stock to buy. Uh, let's take a look and other stocks. I'm just gonna show the weekly the daily chart. CBG, CBRE groups, and this is a international real estate uh, stock. Right now, the first buy point is at $35.23. It went up and then find support at 50-day moving average. So the actual second buy point was around the 50-day moving average right here at 36 no sorry $38, around $38 when they find support, and right now is around that buy point. Next one is MNK, and this stock is still making a base and the second stage base, and breakout pivotal point is a $134.36. MNK, it hasn't broke out yet. MLM, that's another stock, and this is building material. They're doing construction material, and the buy point is $146, and 5% above that buy point will be $153, so it's still within the buy range. MCK, it's another stock. Breakout point is $232.79 right here, still within the buy range. And then Alta, ULTA, Alta Salon. Buy point is $156. It actually pulled back to the lower range of this flat base, so right now still within the buy range. Those are the stocks within the buy range. Now let's take a look at the stocks that are out of buy range. Umbrella, that's the first stocks to take a look. AMBA. Okay, this stock is too high to buy right now, and recent breakout point is right here around the $79. So this stock has a several breakout. So right now it's in a first stage base. Usually that's a late stage base. So the risk of buying right now is very high. So we can just, there's really no buy point for here. We just take a look at it. AYI, that's a buy point. And right now we're at a second stage base. So to get familiar with the stage of the base, you really have to get on the IBD, Investor Business Daily, and read their books and educate yourself about the number of the stages of the base. And first, second stage, or even third stage are very good buy point. But once you get to the fourth stage, the risk has increased. And usually, stock that's a late stage base. And we try to buy stocks around the second stage base. AYI, recent breakout is at $172. Right now it's already above $180. Obviously, too late to buy. Next stock in the uptrend, but too late to buy is a Palo Alto Networks, PANW. And it's no buy point. This is a beautiful uptrend, but the uptrend has gone on for a while, so it's too late to buy. Now the stock is SC. This is also above the buy point, $23.72, above the buy range. Buy range is extended to $24.90. So right now it's just beyond the buy range. Now the stock to take a look is a data, and beyond the buy range is too high. $99 is a buy breakout pivotal point. So right now it's too high. Last stock to take a look is a GoPro. GoPro and has turned a corner. So right now it's in a base building. But look at previous downtrend, it was pretty steep. And once it go above 50-day moving average and then the moving average cross, this is a very good sign, and a gap up with a high volume. That's indication of the demand for these stock shares. So right now GoPro is in the uptrend, so it's a good time to start accumulating shares. Okay, what to do in current market? Long the leading stocks and long the index ETF. If you don't feel comfortable about this, buying the stock, you can always buy the market ETF. That's all for this week. See you next week.